if you are an iPhone 12 owner in the year of 2022, or even 2023 for that matter that we're in now, the best thing to do that I would highly recommend checking out is this Apple Service Repair Program straight from Apple. Now, what this service repair program is, if you can go and see my screen, basically it was the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro service repair program for no sound issues. So essentially what was going on, back in this time was that some iPhones and some iPhone 12s and 12 Pros that were actually manufactured between October 2020 and April of 2021 actually ended up having this weird sound issue. So basically what was going on was if you use your iPhone, for some reason the sound would not emit from the receiver when you were making calls or receiving calls. And it was honestly a very interesting thing. Weirdly enough, I didn't really hear too many people talk about it, but as of now, if you still have an iPhone 12 that is having this issue, the best thing that I would highly recommend doing is to go ahead and basically make your way over to this service repair program page, which I will leave in the description. It'll be the first link down there. Go ahead and click on that link. Make sure it's the apple.com website, whatever. And all you want to do here is go ahead and read through this, which most of the time, if you have an iPhone that was already made between this time, you should be good to go. Now, you want to make your way over here, and essentially all you have to do is go ahead and follow these instructions. For one, just make sure you make a backup of your iPhone or whatever. But they also say, hey, you can just go ahead and find an authorized service provider. You can make an appointment at an Apple retail store, and you can go ahead and just pretty much do a mail-in service if you want to. And it's weird because they don't even ask for your specific serial number or anything. So you could just theoretically go ahead and just bring your iPhone in if you are having those types of issues and probably get it fixed from Apple completely for free. So this is something that's cool. Now, one other thing at the very bottom, and the reason why it's kind of important for this year is because the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro devices basically covers affected iPhones only 3 years after the retail sale of the unit. So right now, since the iPhone 12 came out in 2020, in October of this year, all of those iPhones are going to start having a little bit of a different experience, meaning that these iPhones may end up starting to get discontinued from this specific service repair program. So you might just want to go ahead and make sure that's not the case for you, and you may just want to go ahead and pretty much just send your iPhone if you're having these issues. If not, then you can probably keep it for a while, but hopefully you don't run into that issue. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.